How to share your photo book. Want to share your photo book online with friends and family? From our homepage, select My Account from the drop-down menu, and then select Online Photo Books. You will need to request an online copy first, but don't worry. It only takes up to 2 hours to generate, with a max wait time of 24 hours. Once this has happened, you can share the link with anyone you wish on social media or email. They can't make changes or order copies. And should you change your mind, you can deactivate the link at any time. This feature is completely free and available for our entire photo book selection. Please keep in mind you will also receive a confirmation email of this action. It is not possible to forward this email to friends or family. In order to share the photo book, you must provide the link.